Now question number 7. Here A, B, here 6. So answer we want same digit. Here same letters are given here. So we want same digits. So what we should do here? If you take, first you take by B is equal to 1. 6 ones are 6. Okay. But here A value we should take different number. We cannot take same value because A letter is given here, B letter is given. So what we should do? Then if you take B is equal to 2. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Carry 1 here 2. Okay. Now if you take A is equal to 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. We want 2 digits here. Okay, we are getting single digit. So next you can take 2 here. A is equal to 2, we cannot take. So B is equal to, we took 2. So A is equal to 2, we cannot take. Then 6 2s are 12 plus 1, that is 13. We are getting different numbers, different digits here. So what we should do, we can take B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. Then 4 into 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 here, carry 2. Okay. Then A is equal to, if you take 1, we want here same digits 4 4 4 we want. So what we should do here? If you take 6, A is equal to 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. So this is not possible. If A is equal to 2, you should take 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14 means here only 2 digits are getting same. 2 digits are getting same, but last digit is not getting same. So A is equal to 3. Okay, if you take A is equal to 3, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. Okay, this is also not possible. Then here 4, 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26. This is also not possible. Then 5 we can take here. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. This is also not possible. Then 6 we take 7s are 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. Now see B 4 4 4. So we got here same digit. That means B is equal to, we should take 4. Then A is equal to, we should take 7. So A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. Question number 8. A 1, 1B, B 0. Now here, first here 0, we are getting 0 here. So what we should do? To get 0, here B equal to, we should take 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, if we take B is equal to 9, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So in unit place 0 is there. Okay, then it is possible B is equal to 9. Then here A, here 1 is there. Here 9, we should get 9 because B is equal to, we took 9. 9, here 1, then A value how much we should take to get 9 here? If we take A is equal to 8. Now here B is equal to 9, 9 plus 1, 10. We got 10. So 1 is left out here. That 1 we should give carry here. Okay. Now B9 means we are already 1. Here is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 will get 7. Okay, that means we should take A value 7 here. Then what we should take here, A is equal to 7, 1, then here 1, then B is equal to 9. Add 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, here 0. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Now here 9, here also 9, we got same digit here in question BB. Okay, so therefore A is equal to 7, then B is equal to 9. Next question number 9. Here B1 8. That means B is equal to what we should take here to get 8. B is equal to, we have to take 7. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now this side B is equal to 7. Now here 1 we are getting. Okay. Now what we should do, A is equal to how much we should take? Now B is equal to 7 we got. Here 7 we will take. Now we want in unit place digit 1. Unit place digit we want 1. Okay. Now unit place 1 means where we will get? We want 11 here. Then only we will get unit place digit is 1. Alright. Then what we should do to get 11? What we should take here? A is equal to 4. We will take A is equal to 4. 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 is remaining here. 1, 11 means 1 here. Then carry 1. Okay, carry 1. Now A is equal to what we took here? 4. A is equal to 4. Now here 2 is there. That 2 we should write. Now next 4, 5, 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now check it. B is equal to 7. Here also B is equal to 7. Here also B is equal to 7. A, here also A, 4, 4. So therefore A is equal to 4, then B is equal to 7. Okay. Question number 10. 1, 2A, 6AB, A09. Now here first number is given 9. First number is given 9. If you take A is equal to 7, then B is equal to 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. Or if you take 6 plus 3, also we are getting 9. So which number we should take here? This is one confusion for us. So now here after this you have to see here. Suppose if you taking A is equal to 7. Okay. Now 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. But here 0 is there. That means here we want 0. Okay. So what we should do? 8 plus 2 we should take. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 means in unit place we are getting 0. That means this is possible. So A is equal to, we should take 8. Then here 9 is there. That means we can understand that B is equal to 1. 8 plus 1, that is 9. Then here A, what we took here, 8. A is equal to 8. So we can take here 8. Then these two. 8 plus 2, 10. So unit place digit is 0. Carry 1. Now here 1, 6. 1, 6. Now add 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. Now here A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. So therefore A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 1.